what are we gonna do today? Happy Advent, Merry Christmas, one day closer. This is such a fun, fast project. This is gonna be one of the quick ones. Any jars you have, and we're gonna embellish them. You can fill them full of any goodies, treats, or whatever you would like. Let's get started. So what you're gonna start with is some jars, whether it's a baby food jar, maybe a pasta jar that you had recycled, or you can just pick up some jars. This is kind of a fun way to give a gift, and it looks really pretty. I'm going to use a couple of my screen stencils, my silk screen stencils, but you probably could use other stencils. You're just gonna have to do it just a little differently if you're using a regular stencil. This blue film is not as sticky. It's more of a pressure stick, but I found if I just put very, very damply, put a little bit of moisture on it, it sticks really, really well. Problem is you do not want to leave this on here and let it dry that way, otherwise you can rip your stencil. Just want to make sure it's adhered really well. And I am just going to get my chalk paste. And people do use other types of paints. I have found that I really like using the chalk paste. I'm just going to hold this edge down. Because if these stencils are cut real small, I could just put some tape or something around them. And if I get excess over the edge on this glass, it's going to come off. If I take it off right away, it's going to come off fairly quickly. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to let this dry. Now, you really do want to wash your stencils immediately. And then I thought we would use this cute little heart on this jar. And once again, I'm just going to put a real light coat, just dampen. And I'm going to try a red on this one. This one's a little thinner. I'm just going to take the excess that I got everywhere and get that cleaned off. Go wash my stencil off, and that's it. So wasn't that easy? I'd love to see what you come up with, but I hope you give this a try. Whatever you do, have fun and Merry Christmas.